Hi everyone, I am Balaji Reddy Lachanagari, Director of Rushi Technologies, your most trusted partner in DevOps and cloud trainings. With over 15 years of experience in IT, more than 10,000 professionals trained globally, we will take pride in delivering real-time hands-on DevOps and cloud trainings. Today, I would like to take you on a quick walkthrough of our official website, rushitechnologies.com. I am introducing the official website for reaching the students and professionals and giving access to reach me over multiple platforms. So this is our official homepage where you can see the details about upcoming batches and courses, the scheduled demo dates, and also the syllabus. And also, you can directly reach out to me using this application where we have access to the WhatsApp. You can message me directly from this application on WhatsApp, and also you can find and download the syllabus, and also you can enroll for the courses. And here in the home page, you can see more details about the trainer. I will be the trainer for all the trainings that I am offering in Rushi Technologies. You can see a separate sections also here like courses section. So if you go to that courses section, you can see what courses we are offering. You can see upcoming courses and also ongoing batches. Suppose if you are already having some knowledge on DevOps and cloud or any other courses, if you can enroll for ongoing batches also, you can enroll by reaching out to me on the given numbers. You can find out the numbers and email also in this website as well as the syllabus. And again, there is a dedicated section where you can see about trainer. Like I will be the trainer. You can see my profile and our legacy and my experience in IT as well as trainings. And also, I would like to contribute to the community of DevOps and cloud. So here, I am going to create some content on the blogs. So here, I have provided a blogs link also here, where you can see the top-notch DevOps and cloud contents on the blogs. As well as, you can reach out to me on various platforms, and I am trying to integrate all those platforms together into this website. So you can find out the Facebook link of Rushi Technologies in the top right corner, and also you can find out the YouTube channel link, Rushi Technologies YouTube channel, where I will be uploading more content on DevOps for community as well. And also you can find out the GitHub repository of Rushi Technologies where you can find out so many sample applications, scripts and notes also. On this application you can find out all those details. And one more update I would like to give. I am starting a new Terraform with multi-cloud batch this June 28th. We have a demo and regular classes will start from June 38th. I am also trying to give another update. I am starting a new DevOps with AWS batch from Zero to Hero course in July last week. Probably maybe August 2nd. Maybe August 2nd we will have a demo. It's a evening batch, evening 7:30 to 9 o'clock batch, the DevOps with AWS. Zero to Hero course where we will be covering latest demanding DevOps and cloud tools such as Kubernetes, Docker, Istio, Argo CD, Git Actions, Jenkins, Linux, shell scripting, observability like monitoring tools like Prometheus, Grafana, log aggregation and log monitoring tools like Elasticsearch, and service mesh tools like Istio with real microservices based applications we will take, and we will cover this program. So you can find out all the upcoming batches and its timings, schedules, syllabus and ongoing batches also on this platform. Thank you.